Integrated circuits, also known as ICs for short, or microchips even, are essential components in electronics that have revolutionized the way electronic devices are designed and built. These small semiconductor wafers contain a collection of tiny resistors, capacitors, and transistors, allowing for a wide range of electronic functions to be performed within a single tiny chip. Here's some facts about ICs. Integrated circuits are made from semiconductor materials, usually silicon. They incorporate various electrical components such as transistors, diodes, resistors, and capacitors into a single piece of semiconductor material. Signals between components within an integrated circuit can travel much faster without any power loss compared to circuits made up of discrete components. Texas Instruments is the company that invented the integrated circuit, with engineer Jack Kilby being credited for this groundbreaking technology. Integrated circuits have made complex computer chips and electronic devices possible, enabling advancements in technology and innovation.